everyone, Paul Giese here, and today we're going to take a look at Dean Luginbuhl's new 22-foot MT55, getting ready to roll out tomorrow. So let's go take a look at some features. Starting out here in the work desk area, you notice Dean has mounted the diagnostic display up on the wall here. Provides good visibility and also close proximity to demonstrate and what have you from the L desk. He also has dual USB outlets to power all of your phone charging and other items there. And behind here, a sliding window. So if you have some nice fall days or summer days, you can get some fresh air in the truck here. Lighted knife case on the front of the L desk. It also has a pull-out cash drawer with a cash insert, personal refrigerator underneath, a flip-down jump seat, and central vacuum system. We have a pry bar rack, floor drawer with a swirl plate front, and custom dividers. Dean's truck has a good combination of both shelving and VersaFlex drawers. See some features that you like? Reach out to your sales specialist. We're here to help you design your truck.